Are you trying to decide between HSBC, Lloyds, and Barclays? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these three major banks to help you find the right fit. All three banks offer a range of services. They provide personal banking, loans, and investment options, but each one has its unique strengths. Let's start with HSBC. This bank is known for its global reach. It operates in many countries, making it a great choice for travelers or those who do business internationally. HSBC offers various accounts and services, including investment options and credit cards. Now, let's look at Lloyds. Lloyds is more focused on the UK market. It offers straightforward banking services, including savings accounts and mortgages. Their mobile app is user friendly, which many customers appreciate. They also have a strong focus on customer service. Finally, we have Barclays. This bank combines traditional banking with advanced technology. They have a wide range of financial products and are known for their innovative online banking features. Barclays also offers investment services and credit cards. Now, let's talk about the key differences. HSBC is best for those who need international banking. Lloyds is ideal for customers looking for simplicity and strong customer support. Barclays stands out for its tech savvy approach and diverse financial products. When it comes to pricing, all three banks have competitive fees. However, it's essential to check their specific offerings as they can vary. So, who should choose what? If you travel often or have international needs, go with HSBC. If you want reliable service in the UK, Lloyds is a solid choice. For those who love technology and variety, Barclays is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, consider subscribing for more banking tips and insights.